Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do is opening Settings application. In it we choose our SIM card and mobile settings and their data usage. Now we tap on our package setup. And now we must activate our phone master option to set our data limits, and there again tap on our package setup, and there first we must set how many days, maybe 1 month. There when our package start, maybe the first day of each month, and how many we want. We can set our custom number. Remember that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, maybe we say 6000 megabytes, and confirm. And we set our data limits. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.